Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Kezia wa Kariuki ni atungio wendo munene muno makiria ni Joy Kiengei mutumia wa ex-husband wake Kiengei, na Kiengei mwenyewe ni akorwo agitungia Kezia wendo akimwendera mawega o riri aratabania igongona rionekana gukorwo riri very successful, igongona ria kuhingura branch njeru ya cukuru uyu wake wa guthomithia mbeu njithi maundu megie beauty. Joy akorwo akionia Kezia wendo nduku imwe thutha wa Kiengei gukorwo agicerera Kezia cukuru-ini uyu wake na kumwendera mawega. Kiengei on his end akorwo agikiria Kezia message ya mwanya muno thutha wa muthenya uyu wa umuthi, kuria akorwo akimuririkania ati they are behind her as a family. Neno ni ndumiriri ya Kiengei akira Kezia, congratulations Kez College of Beauty, and again continue doing great and big things. Kezia wa Kariuki, we are behind you as a family. Her online family ona oni akorwo ikionia Kezia wendo munene kuona she has a huge following. Joy Kiengei uria wonia Kezia support nene muno kuona Kezia ni akorirwo akiyumiria hindi ya birthday yake and visited her kuria JCM, ni akorwo agikiria Kezia ndumiriri ya mwanya guku nenda-ini. Joy akira Kezia ati muthenya uyu ni wake, akimwira congratulations Kezia wa Kariuki, cheers to more wins mama, always do your best, what you plant now you will harvest later, continue sowing high mama, we love you. Ikiri ndumiriri ya Joy na Kiengei kuri Kezia wa Kariuki. Andu magieterera kuona kana hihi eri aya ni magugikorwo magikinyia kuria igongona rirathie na mbere. Thie na mbere na gutano on your notification na subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na next one.